Go, Deez. You alright, buddy?
Yeah.
Scared the shit out of me, mate. Tried to get on at the most craziest point.
The other thing, lost the winner and then leaked the front tyre off.
And you couldn't put your foot down.
Huh?
You couldn't put your foot down.
Yeah. And I just sorry, but like you and the what's the cruiser?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thanks. Thanks, mate. You saw anywhere?
No.
It's alright. That's why you hit the ground hard, yeah?
That's where you do.
No, 21.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey? Yeah. Yeah, you'd know it. Oh, I don't know. How's the bloke, alright?
Yeah.
Is your headlight still on? Yeah.
My headlight, yeah, it's on.
I saw it might have been knocked off. Because you crashed pretty hard.
Yeah.
You want to go have lunch first, or you want to go for a bit more of a ride on? Or do you just want to have lunch and head back? It's 11:30 now. Yeah? Alright, so up over the bridge.
Thank you. You can pass with 2 bikes, but not with a mountain bike.
No.
Thank you. See ya. Thank you.
No, straight.
It's turning the brick wall. No. Oh yeah, we do.
But guys, get out.
So we'll go up there and we'll go back down the other one. No, not down there, there wasn't. I don't know. I don't normally come up here. You gonna go down the stairs or not? Huh? Oh, I don't know, mate. If you want to go down the stairs, get on the side. Get in here if you want. It's up to you, mate. Just be careful.
Oh.
Get in here. You alright, Lucas? Huh? You went down hard.
Two for the kids.
Take two for the
You've got to
kids.
have your
No.
backs covered. Both of them.
Yeah,
Don't use your fronts too much. Down the stairs, break really rolling down the stairs.
he got bumped off the back.
Eh?
He got bumped off the back. Watch the video, yeah.